guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be showing you how to do two braided ponytails. I'm starting with my hair blown out and washed. So I'm using the Ebin 24-hour edge control. Part my hair right down the center. Now I'm just going to put my hair in ponytails, not too tight. And I'm going to clean up my section just a little bit. Make sure the back is straight. It's easier to use the tail of your comb for that part. Would need a bristle brush for this part. I really want the braiding hair and my hair to match, so I don't want it really sleek. So I'm just gonna leave a little bit of my edges out so I can just swoop it when it's time. The sections that I want out. Now I'm going to take my bristle brush and swoop that hair. All over. Now you see what my hair is looking like. Bobby Boss hair. I'm using 3 packs of Bobby Boss hair. Now I'm going to take one bundle and split it in half. So I'm going to take a full pack of braiding hair and then the other half that I just split together. Now I'm going to grab a rubber band. And then I'm going to make the braiding hair be in the center of my thumb and index finger. And I'm going to take my thumb up to my index finger and crisscross the braiding hair and take the one underneath up. I'm just going to do the same for the other one I just did. I'm going to take my braiding hair in the center, take the rubber band from my thumb, take it up on my index finger, and take the one in the middle. And it should look like this. So it can be secure when you put it onto your ponytail. And you should end up with 2. Now I'm just going to wrap around my ponytail twice. brush and start brushing it out before I start braiding. I'm going to take a section off to wrap around my braid at the end. I'm going to clip that. So when I make my 3 strands, I'm going to add my hair, my real hair, along with it to make a clean braid. So when you're braiding, you need to twist your hair in the back so none of your hair is poking out of it. Now you can barely see my hair. Now I'm going to take a rubber band and put it at the end so I can stop the braiding hair, because I'm not going to dip this hair at all. Detangle this hair and then wrap it around my braided ponytail. Doing the same with this one, wrapping around it kind of tight but not super tight, and then I'm going to take a little piece, I'm going to clip it in a minute. Hold on. I don't know why I didn't clip it. To detangle this hair just a little bit. I did have some problems detangling it, but other than that, it was pretty fine. There we go. I'm clipping it, putting it to the other side. So now you can see every strand should have my real hair and the braiding hair together, and it should be 50-50. It should be like my hair is, you get the point. So now you can see I'm kind of twisting my hair to the back so you won't see it at all, and that's called tucking the hair. Y'all know who I'm vibing to. Y'all know. I am vibing to Nicki Minaj, the person that's in the back. Now I'm going to take my rubber band and I am going to wrap it around the end. Another one. So now I just want to amp up the braid a little bit, but still making it as neat. When you spread it, don't spread it too much apart, because you might just end up losing that rubber band at the end, or making the braid look really uneven. So now I'm just wrapping my braiding hair around my braid. Now I'm going back with my bristle brush. really put this in because I really liked how my edges looked at the end. And you can take a little mini comb and, you know, get your edges together. I am feeling myself with these ponytails. I got these from the beauty store and they were only like $1, so I was like, okay, well, I'll pick these up. Wanted to show you the bun look because I thought that was pretty cute. Like, let me know if you like the braided ponytail or you like the braided bun. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want more content like this. I will be posting every Tuesday at 5.